Good morning. The big budget day is here, and now there is no point in speculating as to what it will have in store for the India Inc., the people in general, and the markets in particular. Let's wait and watch. With the Finance Ministry having accepted major of the recommendations of the 13th Finance Commission, there is not much suspense left as far as fiscal consolidation is concerned. The fact that the fiscal stimulus has to be unwound is a no-brainer. Some announcement on GST implementation is likely. Some SOPs may be retained for sectors that are yet to be fully recovered. Expectations of big bang reforms are minimal. One space which needs to be dealt with urgently, though, is the huge subsidies, especially to the oil sector. Whether the finance minister takes any concrete step in this direction is anybody's guess. On the whole, the markets would be volatile, which is a given on the budget day. The start will be nervous due to mixed global markets. US recovered from steep losses but still ended slightly lower on Thursday. Stocks started deep in the red amid latest worries about Greece's debt crisis and weaker than expected reports on the economy. Shares across Europe fell on Thursday as worries about the health of the Greek economy offset earnings-related gains from some of the region's top companies including BASF and the Royal Bank of Scotland. Asian markets are trading positive with Nikkei up 0.42% and Hang Seng trading up by 1.10%. Technically, the Nifty may face resistance at 4,950 and support at 4,800. The market could break the current consolidation phase if the range is broken on either sides. A fall below 4,800 may take the Nifty as low as 4,730. On the upside, selling pressures may be at around 5,000. RBI has slashed a fine of 2.5 million rupees on Bank of Rajasthan for violating regulations. Power tariffs across the country may have to be revised upwards in excess of 7% annually if the government goes by the recommendations of the 13th Finance Commission. Government has invited applications from telecom operators for bidding for 3G and broadband wireless access spectrum to be auctioned starting 9th April. The recommendations for the day are Orient Bank of Commerce buy at current market price of Rs 277 for a target of Rs 295 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 268. Tata Motors sell at current market price of Rs 667 for a target of Rs 630 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 683. On the F&O side, long Dabur March future at Rs 169 for a target price of Rs 175 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 166. Long Chennai Petro March future at Rs 242 for a target of Rs 252 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 239. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.